Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to welcome you to Tallahassee. It will take the captain a few moments to taxi over to our gate area. We do ask that you remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Once the seatbelt sign has been turned off, please check overhead bins and seatback pockets for any personal items you may have brought on board with you. Be careful in opening any of the overhead bins. Some items may have shifted during the flight. If you valet checked any red ticketed bags and left them outside of the aircraft in Miami, you may claim those same bags on the jet bridge here. Please retrieve all those bags before entering the terminal building. If you checked bags through to Tallahassee, those bags must be claimed inside of the main terminal lower level baggage claim area. On behalf of all of us here at American Eagle and your entire Miami base flight crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with us this morning. Hope you have a pleasant stay in the Tallahassee area or wherever your final destination may take you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain runs past seatbelt sign. Thank you.